Hello and welcome to Excel Essentials. In this session, I'll be covering filling series. I'm going to show you how you can fill series in Excel. So as you see, I've got some examples also here on screen. And as you can see in column A, we have a number example of numbers going from 1 all the way through to 100. Now the way you can do this is you can type in 1, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your home tab, and then you're going to go to fill. And in fill, you're going to select series, and it's going to pop up with this little box. Now you can fill series in a row or column. In this example, we're going to select column, and we want it to be a linear increase, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then at the bottom, we want it to be a step value of 1, and we want to put in a stop value. Let's say we want the stop value to be, let's say in this example, 15. If I hit OK, you see it now goes all the way up to 15. You can make that as big or as small as you need it. Now if we move over to columns C and D, we have a date example. And as you see, it's the date from the start of next year to the start of the following year in 2025. And you can do that too. You can go to fill and series again. And we're going to select columns again. And make sure you have date selected if it doesn't choose it automatically. Then what we're going to do is we want to select date unit of day. And we want it to increase by 1 day at a time. And we want the stop value to say be, the 1st of January 2025 or the 31st of December 2024. You can put in that value here and that date in your stop value, whatever date you want it to stop at. Then you're going to hit OK. And as you see, it is done every day up to our stop date value of the 31st of December 2024. And as you see, it doesn't miss a single day as it goes Monday through to Sunday and then repeats through. You can also fill in just weekdays, which is a very good feature as well. So we're going to go back to fill in series again. I'm going to select columns, and this time we're going to select weekday instead of day. And this one, we're going to put the same date, 31st December 2024, and we're going to hit OK. And as you see, it has 5 days followed by a gap where there's the weekend. And we can see that with this text formula, it just goes Monday to Friday, and then it loops back around to the next Monday and continues onward, which is very useful if you need to create a mini sort of tracker calendar where people fill in information about themselves in Excel. It's very helpful for that. Stay tuned for more Excel Essentials.